Hello everybody, Butch Clemons here, founder of Exclusive Living, and today we are at the beautiful Ocean Bay Resort here in Pompano Beach, Florida. We have 7 bedrooms, 5 bathrooms, split between 3 different levels. So we have our kind of open concept living area here. You have your living room with the TV console, and then over to the right we have formal dining, which can seat up to 12 guests. If you do have more than 12 guests, we can bring in additional seating because there is space to accommodate whatever needs you may have. And then we have the wonderful eat-in kitchen where you can also see the ocean views as you're cooking, doing the dishes, and you don't have to be closed off from the party, even if you're in the kitchen, because you can see straight to the living room, straight to the dining room. And what I love about this house is that it's very coastal. They like to bring in all the light hues and then mix in some of that blue, turquoise, and green, which really makes you feel like you're at a beach house, which is why people come to Florida. And then of course, we know the quality that our clients expect. So we have all top of the line appliances, 6-burner thermal road range, we have a sub-zero fridge, and we have double of pretty much every single appliance. So 2 dishwashers, 2 ovens, 2 laundries, and ice maker, wine cooler, fully stocked kitchen, ready for you to come and have a fun time. As you can see, we have very large ceilings. The whole living area has 20 feet tall ceilings. So even a tall guy like me still feels very short in the space. And then you can come along down here. We have 3 bedrooms and 2 bathrooms on the main floor. The first bedroom has a king bed, and again, beautiful ocean views that open up to the balcony terrace where you have formal dining outside as well. And then they share a Jack and Jill bathroom, which I think is super cute. You know, if you have kids that want to share a space, or even younger kids that you want near the parents, this would be a great option for them. And then the second bedroom has a king bed and access to the balcony as well. And then the third bedroom on the main level also has a king bed. And this house is able to accommodate whatever your needs are. The guests checking in today have a lot of children, so it's set up with cribs. And then we also have a desk right here, so if you're working while you're on vacation, you can still enjoy the views, even if you're on your laptop. And then we have one more full bath on the main level. All right, let's go check out the upstairs. So upstairs, we have 2 additional suites. Let's start with the primary. So you have a massive primary suite which overlooks the ocean. We have a seating area here with a nice fireplace. Although it is hot in Florida most of the year, sometimes at night it's fun to turn it on and set the mood, if you know what I mean. And then we have the master bed, which again is oriented in a way where you can wake up and directly the first thing you see in the morning is that stunning Atlantic Ocean. And then there is a TV in here. We decided to put it in a console so that it's not distorting the views when you don't need it. We have a little area over here where you can sit and have a coffee in the morning or have a nice little conversation at night before turning it in. And then we have a very, very large primary ensuite with a walk-in shower, a jetted jacuzzi tub, and a makeup vanity, all of which have windows because again, when you rent a beach house or buy a beach house, it's all about seeing the ocean as much as possible. And then we do have a very large walk-in closet as well. Whether you stay here for a week or stay here for several months or several years, you have room to put all of your stuff. Life in Florida is all about the outdoors. Because it is swimsuit season all year long, it's important to stay active. So whether that is kayaking, paddleboarding, kite surfing, fishing, or just going for a jog or run along the beach, we have that here. There's one more bedroom on the top level, and it is this really cute king guest suite. And what I particularly love about this property is that all the rooms are very large. You get a lot of space out here. So this is a great room for younger children because you kind of have room on the ground to play as well. A lot of properties out here, they kind of just cram as much as they can. And this property really gives you the option to spread out and relax. And then you have a private ensuite and walk-in closet. So downstairs, we have 3 additional bedrooms and a bathroom. And then the whole reason why people come to this property is what's outside. Welcome to paradise. So out here, you have almost 5,000 square feet of usable outdoor entertainment space. We have a very large heated pool that has a spa attached to it as well. And then we offer kayaks, paddle boards, and a couple other water sports activities because we really like the guests to enjoy their time here. Upstairs, we have another balcony, which has even more usable outdoor space and plenty of dining options separated into 3 different alfresco dining areas. And then we do have a yard here because I think it's important, especially when you have young kids, that they have some grassy area where they can run around. And then, of course, the main event is the fact that you have private beach access right off the backyard. Let's go check it out. It just doesn't get better than this. Beautiful white sand beaches here in Pompano Beach, Florida. Again, as I mentioned a little bit earlier, this is kind of a private beach, so really the only people on this beach are residents who live in the neighborhood or who are renting a house in the neighborhood. So upstairs on the 2nd level, we have even more usable outdoor space. We have alfresco dining that can accommodate more than 24 guests. We also have a summer kitchen, which is right off of the main kitchen, so you can grill out with the family. We have a mini fridge, wine cooler, and a warmer drawer as well. There are only 4 properties in all of Fort Lauderdale that can accommodate more than 16 guests and are actually directly on the ocean. So if you are looking to rent a property like this, you got to snatch it up fast because they do not last, especially for prime dates. Give me a call. Reach out to Exclusive Living at 954-228-7833 or email admin@exclusiveliving.net. See you on the next one.